Now what happens if the character collides? The game will end. For this, look for the block that says when character collides and drop it on the workspace. Place the set end game message block inside it. Change the message to whatever you prefer. I'm going to write can do better. That's what my teacher said on all my report cards, very unfortunately. Now let's think about the obstacles. Something is moving constantly from one end of the screen to the other. If it's not the character or the background, that must mean that it is the obstacles that is moving from right to left. Just like the character moves down when the screen loads, the obstacles move from right to left when the screen loads. This means that the move obstacles with speed block will need to be put inside when screen loads block. Change the speed as per your preference. Too slow and your game will be boring, but too fast will mean your game is unplayable. So think about that. I am going to choose maybe 6. Fine, but let's try a little faster. Too fast. Maybe 4. Yeah. Alright, so we'll select 4. You can decide whatever you want. Notice that the obstacles have no space between them. We needed to have a space as soon as the screen loads so that the character can move past it. Use the set distance between obstacles block and put it inside the when screen loads block. I'm going to change it to a high number so that it's not too difficult for me. 220. Let's see. Perfect. Let's move these down so they're a little uncluttered. The final element that any game has is the game score. How does the score increase? It increases when the character successfully passes through an obstacle. Use the when character passes obstacle block and inside it put in the score 1 points block. You may choose to increase it by 5 or 10 using the drop down list. Maybe I'll keep it as 1 for now. That's it. That's how simple it is to code a game. Let's just try this once. Okay, monster bird. Play. And if it collides, can do better, just as my teacher said. Try again. Let's see the score increase. Everybody just pay attention to the score. Yep, it's increasing perfectly well. Great. Finish coding these last set of blocks and then click on the last video to see how to download and share this app for yourself and all your friends and family members.